growing up in Liverpool and visiting Conway was a great thrill when I first used to do that in the early 50s with the family. Lots of families from Liverpool, Manchester used to visit North Wales, and Conway always had a great attraction for me and my cousins and the whole area around here. So this is a poem that I've written specifically for Conway, and it's based on an earlier piece I did with a project called Power in the Land, which was set near Kemlyn Bay in the north coast of Anglesey. That in its turn, in fact, based on a poem John Cooper Clarke did called Ode to the Coast, when he had an association there with the National Trust. Salt marsh grass along the estuary trail, seagulls en masse surrounding a sail, the castle on the skyline, and the sense and scale of how the sea comes in, bringing mussels to the quayside awash with the tide. The Vardre as a backdrop, eyes open wide for curlews and oyster catchers who wade and stride into where the sea comes in, as dogs on the beach scratch and shake down their coats. Families line the harbour wall with crabbing floats whose nets reach out for their own kind of boats, on how the sea comes in to channel fishing trips or pleasure cruising boats, as the smallest house, in time-honoured quotes, hears shelducks and mullards open their throats beside this solitary poet, jotting down notes about how the sea comes in.